Morning everyone, it's me again Ma'am Janson for another useful information and tutorial lesson. After learning the Cartesian coordinate plane during the week 4 of our grade 8 math lesson, here's an interesting application of such lesson which is a suggested project for the first quarter, the coordinate making. Are you ready to listen and learn? Let's begin. As a description, coordinate activity is a collection of ordered pairs to be plotted on a coordinate grid in all 4 quadrants. Hence, it enables students to apply their knowledge in rectangular coordinate system. The sets of points are connected as directed to end up with a full picture. Here are the materials needed in doing the project. Graphing paper, pencil, ruler, a marker or a ball pen, and any coloring material like crayons, color pen, color pencil, and others. In coordinate making, as I mentioned earlier, a full picture will be created at the end after connecting sets of points. And here are the available and easy-to-do designs or images. Mickey Mouse, Snoopy, Panda Bear, Elmo, Winnie the Pooh, and Tweety. For every design, there is a provided blueprint to follow in which sets of ordered pairs are given. For Mickey Mouse, here is the blueprint. There are several sets of ordered pairs to be plotted in one coordinate plane. There are also instructions for every blueprint. In this design, 9 shapes are to be created, but these shapes are not to be connected to each other. Another, we have Snoopy and its blueprint with 17 shapes. Then Panda Bear with 13 shapes. Elmo with 8 shapes. Winnie the Pooh with 28 shapes. And Tweety with 24 shapes. Here are the steps in coordinate making. Just make sure that you are excellent in plotting points in the coordinate plane and that you have mastery about the signs of the coordinates for each quadrant. Step number 1. In a graphing paper, position in a landscape view, illustrate a Cartesian coordinate system. The numbering of coordinates depend on the given of your chosen blueprint. Step number 2. Example, the chosen design is Mickey Mouse. Plot the given points in the coordinate plane and connect the points as shown at the right. As it says in the blueprint, holding the paper vertically, plot each point on the axis and connect them in order. As a reminder, after plotting at least 2 points, you may connect them right away to avoid confusion and to make sure that you are connecting the correct order of the points. But take note also that each shape is not connected to each other. Step number 3. Trace the image using a marker or a pen. Just be careful and make sure you have a neat work. Step number 4. Color your work using any coloring material. You may add a design or background to your image to be more attractive. In this particular sample output, which is done by yours truly, I use a color pen. How are you going to be graded in this project? Here is the rubrics. Criteria: accuracy of plot, originality, neatness and attractiveness, and promptness. Example, when all points are plotted correctly and are easy to see, the points are neatly connected, you'll get 30 points. When product shows a large amount of original thought, ideas are creative and inventive, you have 25 points. Exceptionally well designed, neat and attractive, colors that go well together are used to make the graph more readable. A ruler and graphing paper are used, you have 25 points. And then, when you pass the project on time, you have 20 points for a total of highest possible score, which is 100%. When all points are plotted correctly and are easy to see, you have 28 points. Product shows some original thought. Work shows new ideas and insights, 23 points. Neat and relatively attractive. A ruler and graphing paper are used to make the graph more readable. You get 23 points. When you pass the project 1 day late, you have 19 points. And then when all points are plotted correctly, you have 26 points. Uses other people's ideas and giving them credit, but there is little evidence of original thinking, you have 21 points. When lines and curves are neatly drawn but the graph appears quite plain, you have 21 points. And when 2 to 3 days late in passing, you have 18 points. And then when points are not plotted correctly, you get 24 points. Uses other people's ideas but does not give them credit, 19 points. Appears messy and thrown together in a hurry. Lines and curves are visibly grouped, 19 points. And when 4 and more days late, you have 17 points. So here are the sample outputs accomplished by yours truly. Panda Bear together with its blueprint. Mickey Mouse. Elmo. Snoopy. Winnie the Pooh, and Tweety. So that's all, and I hope you learn a lot from this video tutorial. Thank you for listening and enjoy doing your COORDINART. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math lessons. God bless!